Hey y'all, so I decided to make some mac and cheese. Of course, I had to season up my water first before bringing it to a boil. I got this recipe from Divas Can Cook. This is my favorite mac and cheese recipe. It is so easy, y'all. I'm just using 2 cups of elbow macaroni, but you can use whatever style of macaroni that you like. I have some half and half here. Now, listen, I typically use whole milk as well. But listen, y'all, your girl did not have no whole milk. So I said, we're going to have to make do today, okay? I seasoned it up a bit with some seasoning salt, some onion powder, a little paprika, as well as some black pepper. And then, of course, I do have my cheese. I have some Mexican style cheese. That's my favorite cheese, y'all. But you can use whatever cheese that you want to use. I did give it a swirl and I did taste this, right? Because you want to make sure that it is nicely seasoned, okay? And then after doing that, I did put in an egg. That is so important. So don't forget your egg. And of course, I gave it another swirl. This is what I am using to put over my mac and cheese noodles. And I'm just making this for me, so I didn't need to make a whole lot. I did butter my little loaf pan. I got this pan from Dollar Tree, y'all. It is perfect for meatloaf and for little mac and cheeses. I love this pan. I need to get another one. I dumped my noodles in, y'all. They were finally ready. Listen, I was about to put the cheese on top of it already. Then I gave it just a little mixing here with my little concoction that I made. Give it a spread, make sure it gets all the way down in there. You want it nicely combined like what I'm doing here. You don't want anything missing, okay? That sauce is going to be what's going to make your mac and cheese go by the zing, okay? So make sure you get it in there. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and line your top with as much cheese as possible. Some people like to mix the cheeses too. If I would have had like Colby Jack or some other type of cheese, then I definitely would have mixed it. So I just got it packed in there as tightly as possible before putting it in the oven, y'all. Doesn't it look so cute right here? I like it. I put my oven on 375. I want to say I let this go for about 30-ish minutes. I can't quite remember. But you definitely do want to watch it. Listen, y'all, I had some ribs in there too. Your girl was doing it big for this Sunday. Once it was done, I checked it. And when I tell you it came out so good, it was nice and crunchy. Some people were saying that it looked like cornbread. Y'all drop that in the comments and let me know. Do y'all think my mac and cheese looks like cornbread? And also, would you give it a taste?